Good morning, children. Today we are starting lesson 3 from your new James English Reader book of class 8. And the name of the lesson is Ranji's Wonderful Bat. And it is written by Ruskin Bond. So, children, Ranji's Wonderful Bat is the story of a cricket focused teenager boy named Ranji who loves to play cricket. He plays very well, but suddenly due to some circumstances, he is out of form and loses his motivation. So, children, this story is about a boy named Ranji who is very fond of playing cricket. But one day, what happened? He loses his confidence. So, Mr. Kumar, the owner of the sports equipment shop, gifted him a bat in order to boost his confidence. So now, children, I will explain you the story and you have to read the lesson yourself. Alright, so now let's start the explanation. Ranji is an 11-year-old school-going boy. He loves playing cricket and currently he is a part of school's cricket team. He practices a lot, but nowadays his performance is irregular. His score in the last few matches are not up to the mark. Even in the today's match, he scored an egg, means he scored 0. His captain Suraj encourages him, but his coach is very strict and gives him the warning that if you fail to score in the next match, which is on Saturday, you will be dropped from the school team. After the match in the evening, he is sad and going home silently. When he crosses the road at the clock tower, Mr. Kumar, who owns a big sports shop, calls him. Ranji often meets Mr. Kumar after the match, but today he thought of avoiding him because of his bad performance at the match. As he enters in the shop, Mr. Kumar asked, "What happened? Any problem, Ranji?" Ranji says that he has lost the match and scored 0. Seeing him dejected, Mr. Kumar talks him that you should never lose your hope and take him into the storeroom, a place full of old sports equipment. Once Mr. Kumar was also a state level cricketer. Means Mr. Kumar also used to play cricket and he was also a state level cricketer. He had scored a century against Tanzania. For this reason, he loves advising, motivating young players for good shots. Mr. Kumar takes out an old bat and says to Ranji that this is his lucky bat with he scored a century and many more runs in his career. So now Ranji, thinking it of as a magical bat, he goes home and then he started practicing hard. When the match occurs, he scores 58 runs. He is too happy. He shares the news with Mr. Kumar. In fact, even in next matches, he scores good runs and becomes the talk of the town. So now, one day what happened? One evening, his friend Bhim gets injured while fielding. he was wounded badly. So Ranji takes him to the hospital, gets him bandaged, and then he returns home by bus. After reaching home, Koki, a girl from his neighbor, reminds him of his bat. He looks around to see that he has forgotten the bat somewhere. So he goes back to the maiden running, but he finds no bat there. Then he remembers that he forgot the bat in the bus while traveling back home. The bat is lost, and next Saturday he has to play against a team which is coming from Delhi. He becomes very sad as he lost the bat. Next day, when he meets to the Mr. Kumar, he sadly narrates the incident, and also Ranji is now doubtful of his caliber as he has lost his magical bat. Then Mr. Kumar reveals that the bat was not magical. It was an ordinary bat, and says that it is up to the batsman. The batsman should be confident enough, and after he can play with any other bat. Ranji gets the inside mantra, and the next match he played with Bhim's bat and scored good runs. So children, this story is totally dedicated to those children who loved playing cricket. But remember one thing, never lose your hope. Be confident from inside. You will definitely achieve success in your life. Alright student, now you have to read the lesson. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me again. Thank you.